Yeah, hello guys. I'm not testing this again. I just want you guys to be part of what we're doing here live tonight, and I want to show you guys this amazing stuff. This is what you need to know, and how you can identify your sniper entry and also your support and resistance level. The things you need to know for you to be profitable in this industry. First and foremost, you need to identify what we call your area of value, the area that you need to enter this market that is valuable for you, that you will end up being in profit. But guys, without wasting much of your time, one thing I need to let you guys know, either you trading with your support and resistance level using your price action, your price pattern to trade the market, and with the level of moving averages and some indicators that you use, the stochastic oscillation, the relative strength index, Bollinger Band, whatever you want to use to get your entry. It is important for you to know and understand something. One thing you need to know, you have to define the kind of trader you want to be. You have to define the kind of trader you want to be and know the one that work best for you. If you want to scalp the market, you can scalp the market, guys. And also, if you want to position yourself or swing the market, define the kind of trader you want to be, then you can know how you trade this market. We don't have anything difficult in this industry if you don't know what you want in this from this industry. First and foremost, trading, and one of the things you need to understand with forex trading, it is an industry that you need to study around it and take it as a business, either in a full time, part time, wherever you want it. But it's an industry that you have to position yourself for the right knowledge, and that is why you have to connect with us. Sure Blues FX. We will help you to make sure that you become profitable in this industry. So without wasting much of your time, guys, I think without wasting much of your time, guys, so let me show you guys something. We need to set something now and guide you guys on how to be successful in this industry, to know what you are doing, how to spot the major area that you have to work with. I think let me close this. I will use all our other this thing to give you an entry in this area. If you want to use the support and resistance level after defining the kind of trader you want to be, at first you have to draw your support and resistance line, the trend to first you have to identify the trend, know the movement of the trend, know where the trend is going, what is the market telling you, what is the direction of the market. One thing I always tell you guys, don't trade this market blindly. You don't have to trade this market blindly, but trade it with best knowledge of the market so you can be profitable. Know what you are doing for you to be profitable. I have just drawn a trend line for you guys. If you want to identify the movement of the trend, we are right now on crash 1000. This is synthetic index. We are on crash 1000, and now from the arrow above, let me just show you guys something. From this arrow, let me use this to show you guys something. From what you can see here, I will use this as an illustration. Let me still draw it down so that I can pick it very well to show you. I want to show you the movement of this market. This was what did you see here, the higher high, and the market need to test the low. You need to test the low. So this is for position traders. Position trader, how did you identify the higher high and the higher low? These are some of the things we'll be talking about, and this area you have to spot it out. Whenever the market come to the high of the day, on the higher time frame, you're definitely going to go to the low of the day. And it is basically used for the position traders. This is basically used for the position trader. But as a scalper, that you most especially boom and crash, that you want to be taking some few candles, maybe or taking 5 candles, taking 2 candles, taking 20 pip and all of that from the market. How do you ride this train? How did you know that this is an uptrend? Let me see, show you something. Okay, I think I can use this. I can use this to show you what I want to do. Okay, how did you identify this train? What did you see here? This is a train. How did you on this identify it? This is an area where you identify the reversal and where if the market is about to reverse and if the market is about to break the previous support or the previous resistance level. So yeah, that is what you need to know. If this was on this level, you identify it from here, I will give you maybe a relative strength index or stochastic oscillator settings that you can use to identify this, that will give you what you really want. Once you look at this, when you look at this but you can see that this market is already an uptrend, and this take days, this is on the 1 hour time frame, and you get to the higher high of the day, and look at what happened. The market have started coming, and this is for the past 3 4 days. The market has still coming down, and a position trader will position himself here and write this down. And as a scalper, how did you get involved? Okay, you want to trade the green, all this green going up here, all this green going up here. That is what you want to trade on the 1 hour time frame. So what you need to do is for you to identify the movement of the train. If the market is already an uptrend and you want to ride it, and you draw your trend line, when you draw your trend line, you wait for the market to because this market is already an uptrend. You cannot enter this market because it's an uptrend, because this pullback will send you out of the market. But you wait, whenever the market touches your trend line, you enter your market and give a stop loss below it. That is the further, that is the you can see there was what do you see here? There was a support here at all resistance, and you can put your stop loss below here. You enter this market here, know what you want to risk on the market. You will just enter and ride your market down and look at what you get, and what will happen next. Look at the riding, and the market reverses here. So kindly follow. I will give you a guideline. I will give you a guideline on what you can use to support this action. What you use to support this action for you to enter this market and be successful in it. Don't trade this market blindly. Guys, you don't have to trade this market blindly. So if you are using the 200 moving average, on an uptrend, let me show you. This is a 200 exponential moving average, which tell you whenever there is a crossover, when the candlestick, when a bullish candlestick, if you want to take your buy position close above the 200 MA, you enter your buy position and put your stop loss. Your stop loss will be below the lower low. Then you put your stop loss below and you ride the market down. If you've entered this market, there was a crossover here of the 200 moving average. That if you are using the 200 moving average for those that want to swing the market, you enter this market, you ride it down. Where will you exit this market? You enter this market here. This is your exit point. Let me show you guys something. Don't trade this market blindly. And now these are some of the reasons why so many of you have been complaining that market will be in the in what, in profit, and before you know, you don't know when to exit the market, you lost your profit. So you enter this position here. This is your stop loss below this trend. What did you see here? You know we are having a trend moving already. Sorry guys, this is what I'm using. This is we put this trend line to show you that this is already an uptrend and it above the 200 moving average, and you will put your stop loss above the 200 exponential moving average, below your trend line that you've drawn from the trend line. So where did you see? What did you see here? What did you see here? Let me reduce this. Let me bring it this way and show you. I want to show you something. Try to spot this level. Try to spot this level. What happened here? The market tested it, revised, and what happened? It continues moving. So whatever make this market to go below this level, whatever make this market. Sorry guys, sorry. I want to show you. I want to make sure you understand. Whatever make this market to go below this level, it's already a confirmed downtrend. That is why your stop loss is important. You put it below. But what happened? Is above the 200 exponential moving average. Your stop loss is here, and what do you happen? You write it down. Don't trade this market with fear. If your stop loss is hit, that is just for that day. You enter another market for swing traders. But what happened? You write it down. And if you miss this entry, your trade line, you draw your trend line. Whenever it hit your trend line, if it did not go below, if it have not crossed above this 200 moving average, it is still an uptrend. You enter your position here, and what happens is this is your stop loss. Then you write it down. You now have to write it down. Look at what happened. So on the market change direction in this area, when the market change direction, what happened? It changed direction to the downtrend. It hit you draw your trend line, and what happened? This have been a down sell. It have already a sell signal. But this market, we are going to take a buy, and you will still make that position. Look at what happened. If you are only using the 200 exponential moving average, it crossed above the 200. It was a spike. Even if you enter this market here, it to buy, and what happened? What happened next? Because when you enter this position here, this will be your stop loss above the 200 MA, 200 exponential moving average. But what happened? It never go there. You take your what? Your profit. Did you identify this level? These are the area you need to spot out. Spot this area, guys. When you spot this area, this is an area of value. These are the area of value we talked about. The area of value. This is when the market was at an uptrend. The market was at an uptrend. It went above what? Here, and you put your stop loss below. What happened? You write it down. Look at the market came and tested it. What happened? It broke below it. So this area is an area of value, and we still have another area of value here. Let me show you another area of value here. Another area of value here. You can look at it. This is it. Let me give you properly. You see it properly. Sorry guys. Okay, look at it. Now we are expecting this market. We expect this market to have, look at the previous. It has break below. We expect this market now for a trader that want to position himself for a buy will enter this market here, and this is where the TP will be on the 1 hour time frame. This is on the 1 hour time frame. So if you still don't understand this, let me use one of my indicators to show you guys this, so you don't trade this market blindly. Let me use the indicator to show you guys this. Sorry guys, I think I will do it this way. Let me delete all of this. Guys. So be patient. Don't trade this market blindly. I want to give you an indicator that would contribute to your trading experience. So be patient with me, guys. I think I got this nonsense that want to happen here. Sorry guys. Oh my god. This guys is interrupting us. Sorry guys. Sorry guys. So good. No, it's a live video. That is why I told you guys. It's a live video. So be patient. This is a live video we're doing. We're doing a live video, guys. We're doing a live video. So Now I want to show you, if you watch what I've talked about now, let me give you this one of I have different stuff here that we can use to be part of what we guide you to identify this stuff on time, so let me use this to guide you, let me use this to give you. If you look at it, I told you that you enter this market, this should be, hold on guys, before we come here, I told you we got a spot for a buy here, you understand? I will indicate it before. This will be our what, our exit level. And when you come to this setup that I have given you to you guys before, if you look at it, I told you you trade what? You trade the W pattern. What do you trade with the W pattern? If it depend on the time frame you want to use to do this. So you trade the W pattern. What did you see? This market, what did you see here? And definitely whenever this green moving average crossing over the red and the blue, whenever it happening below the 30 level on the higher time frame, this is a sure buy signal for you guys. And now let me show you something, because I told you if you want to buy, you trade a W pattern with this setup. Look at the W pattern. I'm telling you guys, you can see the W pattern. You see the W pattern. See the W pattern. Look what happened here. It have tested this area and it went what? It was a buy. And look at it, the same what is happening here. We are going to get a buy signal here. Look at it, it has already given us a long wick. Can you see? It's giving us a long wick. So when you get a scenario like this, what you have to do, you go to your 15-minute time frame and spot your entry. Look at on the 15-minute time frame as well. What did you see? What did you see, guys? Sorry, I want to use this indicator to show you guys something. Okay, look at what did you see? I told you you trade the W pattern on the 15-minute time frame. What did you see? What did you see? It tested the big, it went below the 30 level of the RSI. What happened next? Where the green moving average is crossing the red and the black. Then when you come to the main window, what happened? Indicate it yourself, guys. You can see what happened here. This stuff is not giving me, but you can see what happened here. See what happened, guys. Let me show you. See what happened here. Okay, I think I can use this. Look at what happened here. The sorry guys, this is a live video, so you expect any of this nonsense. Oh god. Okay, I got you guys covered. You see the W pattern, I'm telling you, the gray moving average is crossing the red and the blue. For you to identify the trend reversal on the 15-minute time frame. And what happened here? You stay in this market for what? This is 15 minutes. How many bullish candle you see? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Two bullish candle on 15-minute time. That is over 1 hour 30 minutes. And what happened next? And what is coming out now, if you go to the 5-minute time frame, is giving you a proper confirmation now for a sell signal. And I always tell you guys, I don't encourage over leverage. Always use a proper risk management, guys. Always use it. So let's go and take this buy signal, and I'll also post it in the group for you guys to see, for them to take it. Who is online will still take it, guys. So this is what we'll do here. Join us on the Telegram channel. We are coming up with other series. So I'm taking this signal, I'm taking this a buy position. As you can see the equity, I don't encourage you to over leverage. So when I take this buy position, guys, I am going to take 10 people from the market. 10 people is giving me 5 candle on the M5. That is on the 15-minute time frame. I'm taking 1 candle. So guys, definitely I will be in profit. So I entered this market from 4418. For those of you that don't understand how to calculate PIP, This is we enter this market now. Oh gosh, sorry guys, I think I enter a wrong thing, but that is one of the things that you need to know. Always don't risk your account. I want to show you guys something. See, this was a live trade. This was a live trade, guy, and there's money. For those of you that have been following me since January, you see it from $3,000 account. We are almost this is our 16,000 by the power of compounding. So ever tell you cannot do it, for sure you can do it. So where is our crash? Okay, let's take the crash. I'm still going to take the buy on the crash. I don't have problem with that because I will still be in profit. I have got to my confirmation even from the daily time frame. I will go to the daily time frame and show you guys the reason why I'm taking this without fear. And the reason why I'm taking this without fear now, and I'm going to increase the lot size. You can see my equity, guys. I don't encourage over leverage. I don't encourage over leverage. I want to do this so that so when you do this, for those of you that don't understand how to calculate people, I have entered this market and I want to take 10 pip, guy. So this is my entry. We enter this market out of 7 7 for crash. You will you add is an addition. Then for boom it's minus. So if I want to take 10 pip, if you add 10 to 7 that will be 8 7. So I am going to, and if it is 9 pip, it will be 8 6. So let's say 8 5, which will be around my 8 pip. My 8 pip. So I want to take 8 pip and will enter this market from 7 7. So will be coming out at 8 5. So what did you see now? 7 plus what? 8. What will it give to you? If you add this, that is your 8 pip. Then what you do next, you copy it and you definitely be in profit, guys. You definitely be in profit. I don't encourage over leverage. Always, 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 always use what you know. Don't risk more than 2% of your account, guys. Don't risk more than this. This account, we have been compounding this account since February or since January, and see how far we've gone. See where we are today. So guys, so it is what it is. If you trade with me, you can never go wrong. So if you're not part of us, you can join us on our Telegram channel. So this is what I want to show you guys. These strategies work very well. Why did I give you this guys stuff? Because you will use it to spot your entry. We spot this entry on the 5 minutes time frame, and if you go to the daily time frame, it is already at